How to replace a logic module. These are the items required. Safety. Always lock out power source and follow recommended safety procedures. Turn off the air regulator. Disconnect the logic module cables. Remove the photoeye. To disconnect the tubes, loosen the tubes by inserting the end of a small, flat screwdriver between the tube and the logic module. Remove the logic module by sliding it up until you feel it release from the side channel. Place the new logic module into the holes in the side channel and slide the logic module down. Connect the tubing to the new logic module. Install the photoeye. Connect the two logic module cables. Turn on the air regulator. Adjust the photoeye to line up with the reflector. The light will switch from green to amber. Secure the loose cable wires. For more MHS Conveyor videos, visit mhs-conveyor.com.